Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your GIS News for Thursday, June 6. With the onset of the 2013 Atlantic hurricane season, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is pushing for the revised building code and the no-build zone legislation to be fast-tracked.
We need to do this. I think this is critical because too many persons are getting away with building any and anywhere.
Mrs. Simpson Miller was speaking at Wednesday's National Disaster Committee meeting at Jamaica House. The Prime Minister, who chairs the committee, expressed satisfaction with the level of preparedness by the various relief agencies for the 2013 hurricane season. She also addressed relief efforts for the most vulnerable in the aftermath of a disaster and called on the Minister of Labour and Social Security to ensure that a plan was in place for street people, the homeless, elderly and the disabled. There's an urgent appeal to donate blood at health facilities island-wide, especially O-negative, which can be given to persons with all blood types. The appeal comes from the National Blood Transfusion Service, and persons are being pointed to the blood bank at 21 Slipen Road in Kingston or public hospitals in other parishes. Director of the National Blood Transfusion Service, Dr. Angela Scott, says the service, although not at crisis level, is short on all blood types.
Generally speaking, O-negative is the one that we have difficulty with, but all groups were short. We have been emailing, on the telephone, calling donors in to come in because we are short. I am saying that if we have a major crisis now, we are very short.
June 14 will be observed as World Blood Donor Day under the theme, Give the Gift of Life, Donate Blood. Motorists can look forward to driving on segments of the 67-kilometer north-south link of Highway 2000 even before the entire roadway is complete in 2016. Transport Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies recently toured the corridor and provided that update.
Between Linstead and Monique, you'll be able to avoid the Mount Russell. That's why it's called the Mount Russell bypass. So by next May, that will be open. You can get on in Linstead and come off in Monique.
The minister said he was pleased at the pace of work. Sorrel farmers in Westmoreland will soon have a facility to process value-added products made from the Sorrel Plant. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSAFE, signed an agreement with the Betheltown Agricultural Cooperative Society to build a 204 square meter modern agro-processing sorrel facility. JSAFE is contributing $19.3 million of the total $25 million project cost, with the community contributing the rest.
This project will transform over 120 acres of sorrel into value-added products. Sorrel, jams, wines, jellies, anything we can think of. And our role is really to invest in communities that are not well off, challenged, or what we want to see is growth.
This is yet another expression that this government intends, in a very, very serious way, to deal with import substitution and to grow the agricultural sector.
Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner has called for more partnerships to reach Jamaica's next generation, particularly our young males who statistically are the main perpetrators of violence in Jamaica. She was speaking at the launch of the Next Generation initiative designed to deal with gender-based violence and youth. Minister Faulkner commended the organizers on the initiative.
Understanding the issue of youth violence from a gender perspective and promoting serious dialogue on this development challenge among critical stakeholders and grassroots community organizations, including the youth themselves, is an absolute necessity.
Next Generation is a partnership initiative involving the Ministries of Education and Youth, the Planning Institute of Jamaica, World Bank, and the Inter-American Development Bank. And finally, the Jamaica Information Service and the Broadcasting Commission of Jamaica joined forces last Thursday for Career Day at the Jonestown Primary School. Students were schooled on various media careers and offered insight into professional photography by JIS photographer Meloy Sterling. The students and their teachers also participated in a one-hour session on media literacy. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.